Hey guys, so we are going to China. Whoa. I'm so excited but also scared at the same time. This has been like one of the things in my bucket list for a while now. It's actually insane that it's coming true. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog and we'll see you in Beijing.
So what about babe? 别看我眨也会累，脆弱的心被你一击就碎。So what you say？ 能不能再给个机会？谁能把你
We're in Korea. Oh my gosh, there's no one here. It's like literally 5 a.m. here. Like 5 a.m. And I want to go to a grocery store. Like, look at this. It's like literally no one is here. My gate is so far. It's like 2:14 and it's like all the way there. And the grocery is like all the way at the end over there. So we're just gonna walk. Our goal is like 20,000 steps every day. Okay, so we just got our first meal. This is Angelina's or whatever. My hair has just been like... Anyway, I got a crab sandwich and strawberry snow. Food in Korea like never misses. It's so good all the time. Like even the American food or the Western food, it's just so good. I'm gonna test it out. Ooh, look at that. That looks... Oh, my flight is not until like 8 a.m. 8 a.m. Wait, let me see. Oh my god, I feel like that's wrong. So it says departure time is 8:15, so I have to be there at 7:20 or 7:30. So I'm gonna like leave this area like around 7. One thing I like about like Asian like airlines is like they never leave you. There was one time in Taiwan, I was so last year I solo traveled. I was on a FaceTime call with my friend. I couldn't hear like the announcements because like everything was in Chinese, right? Just like disregarding it. But I was at the gate already. I didn't know that the gate like suddenly changed. And I didn't see like people leaving, and I thought like the people that were there were like going to Bangkok because I was going from like Taiwan to Bangkok. Eventually everyone had boarded and they were just literally looking for me. Like I was the last one. The staff had to come pick me up from the original gate. She literally had a sign that was like had my name. So lesson learned, pay attention to like literally everything. We're in Beijing. Like this is insane. We just got approved. I'm so tired. I'm probably gonna take a nap and then go head to the temple.
I'm thinking about you，耳机播放着古典 I can't live without you， 当时我们初见时的新鲜。
Okay, welcome back guys. Look at this. This girl in front of me is so slay. I ordered a DD to go to the Temple of Heaven. I'm so lost. Like, I ordered earlier and it charged me like 20 bucks. So I was like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna cancel it because I'm not gonna pay freaking 20 bucks for a premium. I don't know if I got charged, but we'll see. We are standard. Girls, we are not living the first class premium all the time. Oh, it's here. Oh, what the fuck? Hello. Oh my gosh. This is like a new Tesla. But this is not a Tesla. This is insane, guys. There's a lot of people. Oh my gosh. It's like literally so crowded. my god, how am I gonna get in? Oh my gosh. Wait, is it closed? I paid like $15 for this entrance fee. I'm so lost. Excuse me. Do I go there? Yeah. Scan? Oh, okay. Okay, he must think I'm stupid. Whoa! Guys! God! This is literally insane! Wait, I can't be too loud. Life feels so much better again. Wait, why is there another queue? It's so windy. She literally just cut me. Kind of reminds me of my grandmother. That guy literally just spat in front of me. This like looks so much better in person. I honestly can't believe I'm here. So some guy offered to take my photos. He's showing the way. Say hi.
Hello.
It's my vlog.
啊，这个是佳能的
YouTube?
啊，这个是运动相机吗？这个是单反录制视频的 vlog。
Yeah. Guys, that was the most interesting thing I've ever experienced. Literally everyone, oh, she's so pretty, look. Oh my gosh, there's so many photographers here. On to the next activity. I think I'm supposed to go to like Shichahai or whatever. Okay, so after a long journey of walking around, taking photos, we're finally going back home. I want to go home. As you can see, there's a lot of people. Just thinking about it is insane. The fact that I lined up there, it's crazy. Hey guys, we're at McDonald's.
Many people. Right.
Okay.
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 You can show Chinese people.
Yeah.
They will tell you this place must go to seek.
Okay.
Must to visit. Don't forget.
Yeah. I will go. I promise.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Bye. So cold. The reason why I didn't want to come here is because it's kind of cold. But the guy was like, wait, don't go to the block thingy, go to Shichahai. I wasn't expecting. Wait, but it's okay, it's giving. Look at that. Oh, wow, it's like literally a professional. Wow, when he said that there's a lot of young people here, wow, a lot. There's a karaoke as well. Okay, the thing is, I need to charge my phone. So that was one of the reasons why I wanted to go to the shopping mall, because I need to get a power bank. Oh my god, there's like karaoke happening there as well. Hello guys, we are going to the Great Wall of China. My DD driver is here. I'm so tired. I got like 4 hours of sleep, but it's okay. We're traveling. Oh my god, by the way, I wanna try those bikes. I couldn't figure it out yesterday, but we're gonna figure it out later. I have a lot of free time later. I think I wanna go to Popland. I mean, I don't know, we'll see, but yeah.
Only with you, the world feels right. You turn my days into golden light. Through the
Okay guys, we just got to the ticket center. It's so cold here. Bro, I was kind of forced to get this jacket. It's the Adidas. I was gonna buy the original one. I guess not anymore. Also, they're so hard to find. They were selling it outside and I didn't want to buy it. It's just that it's so cold. I also bought it with pants and I paid like 175, like 1,000 yuan. Wait, no. I paid like 850 yuan. That's like $175. I'm in a shuttle bus right now. I think this is like a private tour. Crazy. Okay, I am actually so lost. I think this is where like you can hike it up. Oh, okay, I see it. Oh my god, guys, I see it. Oh, it's right there. Guys, this is insane. I'm doing this alone. Wait, I'm scared of heights. Is it gonna close? Wait! Guys? Wait, we're so high. Guys, look at the view. We made it! Woo! Oh my god, I can't believe it, guys. We're here. I can't believe I'm here. And there's like barely anyone here. Imagine doing a marathon here. Oh my god. Y'all, at this point, I'm literally just over it. My camera is dead. I'm like over it. Like, it's never ending. This is insane! Woo! Insane! Woo! Woo! Okay, hi guys. I took a nap. Sound pretty nasally because I feel like I'm getting sick. I'm like in need of a haircut. Saw like a barber shop nearby. I'm still kind of like pretty sleepy. This jet lag is like killing me. There's like a lot of motorcycles just like coming. Oh, okay girl. I don't know what haircut to get, so I'm just gonna show them my previous haircut. Oh my god, this is so cool. That is so cool. Okay, hi guys. I just came from the Forbidden City. It really is forbidden, girls, because I was just stranded there. Didn't even walk outside. I didn't have any reservations, so it's like I was just stuck there. I couldn't even walk to cross the pedestrian because you needed to like tap your passport or whatever. So now we're at the mall. I'm like so bored. We're at the One Fujing Mall. They said that there's a pedestrian here with the clock. Hey guys, another day, another sleigh. I actually didn't vlog that much yesterday because I was just so tired. Oh my god. Saw this cafe on Xiaohongshu. It's like a rooftop cafe with like a good view of the pagoda. But I have to find it. It's like so hot. This is the only time I dressed up. Yesterday it felt like winter. The weather here is just so strange. But today we're going to the Tiananmen Square. So we are now at Tiananmen Square. This is like actually the park inside. This park is pretty nice. It's actually, honestly, it's just literally a park. I'm gonna go around and just walk around because there's really nothing to see. Like I'm like kind of underwhelmed. So I think I'm not gonna get tickets. I feel very overwhelmed. I'll just get a selfie and I'm not gonna go inside. It's just very overwhelming. It's so funny. I said I'm not gonna go in, but I got a ticket, guys. So we're gonna go inside after all. Oh my god, the ticket thing, the line was already so long and I have to line up again. Like, look. That is insane. And for me to just come here for a photo is insane. Hello. Oh, yeah. Okay, hi guys. We are now at the museum. Oh my god, my voice is very raspy right now because I drank yesterday. I'm actually a little bit hungover. We have to get through the day because we have a lot of things planned up. Going to the 798 district, just walking around there, there's like a lot of thrift stores. This scared me, girl. Oh, so cute. It's so cute. It's so old. Like, I am getting goosebumps. Like, I don't know if that's a good sign. Feel some sort of energy here. I don't know, like it feels like someone is like following me around. Oh my god, just thinking about it. Why did I pay 20 bucks to be here? It's really pretty though, like, I get why they called it the Red Brick Museum. I have like such low energy. I feel like it's because I have less sleep. It's kind of killing me. It's cute. Okay, so I got the small size. This is the only shopping that I'm doing in Beijing, by the way. Most of my shopping is in Shanghai because of my luggage. Oh yeah. What do we think? What do we think? It's kind of giving like Burberry. Oh my gosh, is this a set? Love that. Oh, this is cute. It says, oh, Yaoi? Oh, we love Yaoi. I don't know if I should go home. Okay, so we're having our dinner. This is, I think it's Korean hot dog, but they call it something else here. Shit. Oh, he gave me water, but I don't really want to drink water. I have my own water. Tap water kind of just makes my stomach, you know, especially in Asia. I'm like literally just journaling here. Today was a very tiring day because like physically, I had a lot of like walking around and stuff like that. Today is my last night in Beijing. Tomorrow I'm flying out to Shanghai. It's very satisfying just to kind of like learn the culture and learn everything here in Beijing. I hope you guys watched the whole video. Stay tuned for my Shanghai trip. Yeah.